Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Perhaps you saw my interview with Badarayana Prabhu on his Eighth Element podcast. I was talking about the severe drought that the United States is currently undergoing. In fact, not even just the United States, the entire world. The rivers are drying up everywhere. The Colorado River is drying up. The Rio Grande is drying up. The Mississippi is drying up. The Ohio River is drying up. Why? Because there's not enough rain. Well, we know what to do. We know how to make it rain because Lord Krishna explains in the Bhagavad Gita that rain comes from what? Sacrifice. And the recommended sacrifice in this age is what? The Hare Krishna Maha-mantra. Why are we keeping that a secret? We need to let the world know, especially the United States, that if enough people will chant the Hare Krishna mantra, it can be made to rain. And Srila Prabhupada said this. This can be demonstrated in any part of the world. So we have to get the word out. So I am creating a campaign, and I want as many devotees to participate in this as possible. We have a huge opportunity to make Hare Krishna Maha-mantra a household word again, and we should not lose this opportunity. We need devotees to send emails to newspapers. We need devotees to give interviews on radios, on television. We need to make a frontal assault on all the media to make everybody understand simply by chanting this Maha-mantra, this sacrifice, this performance of sacrifice will create rain. This is our opportunity. Let's not blow it. I'm trying to organize this effort. We need a lot of help. If you can help, tell me what you can do. We need devotees to write letters, devotees who will do interviews on radio or television, devotees who will organize all of this activity. So please contact me. Let me know what you are willing to do. If enough of us participate, it won't take very much effort from any one person's part, but we have to get it going. This is a huge opportunity. Prabhupada was so enthusiastic before, even if he said, or Hare Krishna, the words Hare Krishna were in a newspaper article. He would judge the quality of the article by how many times Krishna's name was mentioned. So this is what's needed now. And the world is motivated. The United States is motivated. Look at the Colorado River supplies water, Lake Mead. The generators from the dam at Lake Mead provide electricity for 25 million people. And that is near going dry. And if those 25 million people do not have electricity, life stops. This is a severe threat, and we cannot minimize it. People are motivated. And so we need to get motivated also to start a campaign to get everybody to chant Hare Krishna Maha-mantra. Please, please, please join this effort, especially if you are capable of organizing in some way. Let me know about that, and we'll get it set up, and so we'll begin to draft everybody so we can get everybody slotted to do the service that they want to do. So please help. Please, please, please. We have to act. This is a huge opportunity, and people are motivated. Let's not miss this opportunity. Let's create another Hare Krishna revolution. Hare Krishna, Jai Prabhupada.